What are you cooking?
A hunter's chicken.
Hunter's chicken.
Hunter's chicken.
Hey, that's my name you have taken.
What? Tell me about hunter's chicken, Bernie.
Well, when people used to go hunting,
Yeah.
there weren't a lot of spices or anything. So whatever they found around in jungle, that's how they cook.
So that is what we're doing. We're doing a hunter's chicken curry. We've got a lot of people, and so we've got a lot of chicken on the bone. If you can do it, don't worry. If not, but the secret,
They always cook chicken on the bone tastes better.
it's those whole spices. Whatever you could transport in your hunting pouch on a horse is what you would put in. And the reason that I have put some ghee in this, and it's really important, is because that's the purest form of fat. It doesn't fester, it doesn't go on. And so very often they would carry ghee with them and just cook the curry in a ghee pot in the jungle.
And in jungle it's easy to get sort of butter and things because of the cows.
Yes, exactly. Right. So we're going to do the chicken. Now, so I have put my whole spices in. I'm going to go in with those powdered spices to just drive that flavour, and it makes it so much more penetrable. And I'm going to go with a bit more cumin powder, because cumin, if you want your curries stronger, cumin is the way that you do it.
Absolutely.
So what I do is I put a whole lace in, and then I take it out halfway through the cook.
Yes, that will be a good idea. Halfway through take it out, because otherwise it eats.
We go.
Yeah. No.
A little half teaspoon of chili powder.
Oh, easy.
Yeah. So, garam masala, heavy. 2, 3 teaspoons.
Yeah, you need that.
Cumin powder. I'm going to go in with 2 big teaspoons. I'm not going to put much tomato in this, because the truth is that would never really have been in a hunter's curry. Yeah, so I'm just going to put a bit of tomato puree.
That's excellent.
And God's own spice, turmeric. Honestly,
Good old turmeric.
everything. Put it in. Wherever you are cooking with ginger, which is what I'm doing in here, or black pepper, which activate turmeric, get turmeric into your dishes. It is a brilliant anti-inflammatory. I'm just tossing those spices into the hot oil. And in we go with our huge amounts of chicken. Are you ready? We've got to this stage where I put the chicken in, the spices are there, I'm just tossing them through, and it's all a bit dry and angry now. So we need to just top this up with water. This is going to be a water-based curry with a bit of tomato puree in. See that my jug? And it's an old Hungarian jug. And look how cute. Anyway, you want to cover this with water, so here we go. So cute. Okay, into this I have added the water. I've added the tomato puree to give me that bit of sharpness. Remember, tomatoes were not brought to India until the 16th century by the Portuguese. So original hunters would have added a bit of tamarind in for sharpness. We do tomato puree. I've also added dry fruit, dry apricot, dry prunes, whatever you have in the cupboard. And until that fruit is swollen and until the meat comes away from the bone, this curry is not done. We are talking about an hour and a half. You are a hunter in the Indian jungle in the 1600s. You're putting this on to cook in a pot, and you are beggaring off. Okay, this is the chicken curry. It's had about an hour and a half. Fruit is falling apart, and the chicken is coming off the bone, and it is a really thick, nice, rich gravy. Hunter's Indian chicken, there you go.